weekend?
I had a fantastic weekend.
Where did you went or go?
It's where did you go?
Why do we say where did you go and not where did you went? I thought went was the past for go.
It is. But is did in the past or the present?
Ah, the past. So because of did, we don't change go into went.
Exactly. Did tells us we're talking about the past.
So where did you go, Gran?
I went fishing.
No way! What did you catch?
Well, I pulled and pulled and pulled, and I thought I had a big fish, but I caught a boot.
Oh, who did you go with?
I went with John.
But Gran, John hasn't got a car. How did you get there?
We went on his motorbike.
You rode on a motorbike? Gran?